Okay, a quick video demonstration of the Freebee Fremium PAK Cart Coreboard on the Freebee Fremium Microbee compatible. And here I've modified MicroWorld basic version 5.29e. This is the basic that allows a high-res 2 command and full use of the premium graphics in order to make use of the additional PAK commands with the machine. So this machine has up to 512 PAK locations, so that's 4 megabytes of PAK, half of which is on removable cartridges, so you can pull them out and share them with your friends. Let's start by just deleting some PAK. So I've created a PAK delete command where I can actually delete an 8K PAK. I simply give it a number, and in this case it's from 0 to 511. I'm deleting the first 63, which is basically the first 64, which is the first chip, which is this one here. So if I go out 10 0, which selects PAK 0, and then and then a quick peek to show what's there, and you'll see the first location of that PAK is clear. So next I want to put something into the PAK, so I'm going to use a cassette. So what I'm going to do now is type LOADF. I created a new key, or an addition to the normal load keyword, which is LOADF, which allows me to load at twice normal cassette speed, so 2400 baud. And I'll say LOADF to 0. So I'm basically going to load a program to PAK 0. Hit return, press play on my cassette recorder, which just happens to be an iPad. Press play, and now I'm loading Emu Joust. But I'm not loading Emu Joust to run the game, I'm just loading Emu Joust to load it into PAK. So at 2400 baud, Emu Joust takes just over 1 minute to load, which is twice as fast as the normal speed of 2 minutes to load on a normal Microbee. This is all at the normal clock speed of 3.375 megahertz. If I double the clock speed to 6.75 megahertz, I can get this, for example, to load in 30 seconds flat. Okay, so that's loaded now and it's finished. So basically what it's done there is it's actually copied Emu Joust to PAK 0, and because it's actually a 16K game, it's used PAK 1 as well. So if I type, hang on, I won't just type it first. I'll select PAK 0 and I'll do our peek again. Just to see what's in the first byte. And you'll see the first byte's changed to 195. That's actually a C3, which is a jump command, which is fairly important because the basic requires that in order to run a PAK. And if I have a look at PAK 1 as well, you'll see that's also got a jump command as the first instruction. So anyway, let's see what happens if let's just clear the machine. In fact, I'll turn it off then on again. Power off, machine's dead. Power on. Boot to basic and kill everything. Okay, so now if I simply type PAK 0, Emu Joust, as we know and love, with no delay for loading from tape. So I'll just let that go through and play its little tune. Play a game. its normal Emu Joust. Alright, let's put something else in. So you see that's only PAK 0 and PAK 1. PAK 2 reports a option not fitted error, which it basically is saying that there's nothing in the pack. So what do I want to play? Let's try Galaxy Invasion, that's a fun game. So I'll go LOADF to PAK 2. Run our Galaxy Invasion tape and play. This one's a little under 16K. It only takes 45 seconds to load at 2400 bits per second. And that's a long 45 seconds, but it's almost done. Okay, tape's finished playing. There was a beep there at the end, and it's copied it to PAK 2 and 4. So if I simply type PAK 2, instantly Galaxy Invasion runs. Of course, Emu Joust is still there, so I'll type PAK 0. Emu Joust. But let's not stop there, because maybe one of my friends wants to steal my my program. So let's I'll just should do this one as a program for I equals 64 to 64, 5, 6, 7. PAK delete I, next I. Okay, so I've just cleared out 4 PAK locations from this chip, which just happens to be removable. So then I go PAK copy. I'll do this again as a program for. Let me just show. So PAK 64, which is this one, got nothing in it. PAK 66, also got nothing in it. So if I go now a program for I equals 0 to 3, PAK copy I to 64 plus I. Next I. So what I'm doing here is I'm copying 4 packs from PAK 0 to 3 across to PAK 64 to 67. Took a few seconds because it's a very slow machine. However, now if I type PAK 64, yeah, Emu Joust. And if I type PAK 66, Galaxy Invasion. So the cool thing here is now I can remove this pack that I just created, or PAK cartridge that I just created with no other machine needed, and I can give that to one of my friends who's also got a Freebee with a PAK Cart Coreboard, and they can plug it in and they can copy this directly to the Flash on their own machine, and they can run the games with almost zero effort. Thanks for listening.